I think like music is Africa. Music is from Africa for me because, right from when
They say silence is weakness, but Wizkid turned silence into strength. While others argued online, he built a legacy offline. No noise, no drama, just results. World tours, Grammys, and a movement that speaks louder than words. He doesn't need to explain himself, because every song is a statement. Every win, a reply. That's not arrogance, that's mastery. Watch the full story now at Afroxplode channel on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.